What's up, guys? So yeah, objects are flying over all the time, 24/7. Have been for some time. Um, but now I don't know if it's a new thing or maybe it's been happening or maybe it's a higher level. I can't be sure. These things take time, and I'm learning about it as I go. So, this is from my own trial and error. I've had nobody to help school me or tell me what it is or give me answers. So it's like leaping from place to place. You have to like leap from place to place, and a lot of it is self-explanatory once you look into it, because then you come to an understanding. See, when you have theory, it's hard to believe or prove an answer to something else when you don't have the experiment. But when the experiments are happening in front of you daily or in different categories, you start seeing these like keys, right? And you start putting the puzzle pieces together, and it's a lot easier than you thought it was. Now, it does take some effort on your part. You got to look for it. You've got to want to. The answer's not going to come from someone else telling you. But the opportunity is given at all times. It's a matter if one taketh, though, And it's a little hard to see at first. A lot of it is. And the more you search for it, it'll find you. I've been seeing a lot of flashes lately. I've seen orbs in the house. Or it's like trickles of like fire or lightning, or maybe even both. It's probably plasma, energy. But yes, it is real. But when it happens, it's so fast. It's literally like a strike of a match, or like a bolt of lightning, but it's like a ball, or it looks like a flame. And everything and anything is possible, From the electricity coming off of you to where when I put up, as far as, electricity and as fire goes, last night I put my cigarette out twice, and it levitated and floated for a second before it decided to take off in the wind, But something carried it for what seemed a mere tiny couple of seconds, but for a moment, it did appear to have some kind of force or life or calling or sign or hint, I don't have an answer. I can show you the way in some ways. We've made some discoveries. My channel's a little unique. I've brought, I think, some things people weren't looking for to the table, But it is what it is, And it's up to y'all to carry it, man.